In this video, we'll create an assembly. To create an assembly is very simple. You go to the Create Design panel at the Home tab, and there you will see Assembly. You can click down at the assembly and click on Create Assembly. And once you click there, you'll be prompted to enter the name of the assembly. We'll name it Road-1. You can describe it if you want to. And then there are various types of assemblies. You can create an undivided crowned road. You can create an undivided planar road. The difference between these two is that the undivided crowned road, it crowns in the middle. And for the planar road, it has one slope for the entire, it slopes in one side for the entire road. And then you can have divided crowned road or divided planar road. It's basically the same, the other two above there. But the difference here is that the divided roads usually have a median in between. Then you can create a railway assembly or any other assembly which is not particularly a road. So for this assembly, we want to create an undivided crowned road. And then the assembly style, we leave it at basic. And then the code says style, we leave it at all codes. Okay, the assembly style controls the appearance or the display of the assembly. The code says styles control the display of the sub-assemblies. And for the assembly layer, we can assign a layer if you want to. Currently, we'll go with the default layer. So once I'm satisfied with that, I click on OK. And I can click here to place my assembly. It's a very small object. So what I do in order to see it better, I draw a circle, a big circle around it so that we can see the assembly. Just to show the assembly is here. So it is in red. This red appearance or display is what was the basic style. This is the basic style. So next we will build the road cross-section. We will add sub-assemblies unto this assembly.